what's up? It's Kristen. Today I have another Stitch Fix unboxing for you. If you guys are not familiar with Stitch Fix, click on that link below and you'll get $25 towards your first fix. So that's awesome. Way to try the service. So if you look in the bundle that I got, it looks like I have some white, red, green, black, and it looks like a pair of jeans there. So if you like these kind of videos and you're new here, please like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Hit that little button down below, and I do all kinds of videos, unboxings. I had some requests to do other videos, so I will do those as well. So let's get into the box. Okay, so in the box you get this little envelope, and it has information about the items that you receive. It's your style card and your note from your stylist. And then it has your price sheet. So what we're gonna do is go over prices at the end when I just tell you guys what I decided to keep. So let's get into this bundle. Okay. The first item, I see a lot of people getting this, is this Danielle Rain top. This is really nice. You could definitely wear this to work. It'd be cute with a cardigan, and I kind of like the detail at the top, and it is white, and I do wear a lot of white with cardigans, so this is really cute. And then in the back here, it has a little tie, and it has all this crochet work. So this is nice. Let's read what it is. This is the Danielle Rain Buckaroo lace detail blouse in white. So here it is, really nice. I definitely would go underneath a cardigan, so we'll try that on. Next we have here is a maroon top, and this is nice. This is just plain, and it has some open sleeve, and it has like a knot. You could see that on the sleeve. Yeah, that's cute. I mean, that's really nice. Definitely something I would wear for fall, winter. And this is the Colette Romy Cold Shoulder Knit Top in burgundy. I do love burgundy. It's really nice for fall. So we will try that on. Next item we have here is a sweater. And this is nice and super soft as well. I like that. So this is green and white stripe sweater, and you can see the material that it is. It looks a little bit short, so we will see what it looks like on. This is Cotton Emporium Fayon cropped chenille pullover in olive. So there it is, and I'll have all the pictures of the items and the prices right after the try on, so you'll get to see them. Next we have here is a cardigan. And it has this like design on it. See this? It's kind of like Christmassy. Definitely for Christmas. And here it is up close. It's black and white, and it's flat front cardigan because that's all I like. And it does have a hood, so that's nice. This is the Love Ellie Helga Fair Isle hooded cardigan in black. So it is a little bit longer, which I do like as well. So we'll see what that looks like on. That's really nice. Next we have here is a pair of STS Blue jeans, and I tell them all the time that I need a 24, and they always send me a 25. Here these are. They're just plain dark jeans, no distressing, and these are a Stitch Fix exclusive, and they are the STS Blue Neve Skinny Jean in indigo. Okay, so we will try everything on and come back and let you know what I decided to keep. Okay, first item we have is the jeans. These fit really nice. They're just a little bit big in the waist. They're just a plain pair. Like that they have some stretch to them, and they're nice fit. They do look really nice. Here's the back. So these are nice. The only thing is, like I said, they're just a little bit big in the back and the front. So I'm gonna see if I can exchange them for a smaller size if they're available. So let me know what you guys think of these jeans. Okay, next we have is this top. I do like it. It is extremely, really soft. Super soft. It's nice. It's just a little bit short. And it kind of a little baggy here, but otherwise I do like it, and I do like the color. And I'll do a little turn. It looks okay with these jeans. Let me know in the comments what you guys think of this. But this is really nice. The only thing is it looks different right here. It looks a little baggy. So I'm not sure. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Okay guys, next we have is this top. It has the cutouts on the sleeves and it fits really nice. I like the burgundy color for fall. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of this one. It is really nice. And again, it's soft. I like where it hits right here and where it hits in the back as well. And yeah, this is nice. Let me know in the comments what you think. Okay, next is the Daniel Rain top. I do like this a lot. I like how the sleeves, let me pull you guys up. So the sleeves are right here and you can see close up. They're really pretty here as well. And in the back, the detail is really nice as well. This is really cute. I do like this a lot. I definitely get a lot of wear out of this. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. It fits really nice. It hits at a right spot and it looks good with these jeans as well. Let me know what you guys think of this outfit and this top in the comments down below, but I do actually really like this a lot. Okay, next we have is the cardigan. I don't think it goes well with this top. Here is the pattern. I do like how it fits and how it lays. I do like the hood on it. And here is your design. It's nice, it's different. I just don't think it goes with this top because the top goes too high. If it was like a V cut, I think it would look well. But here it is. Here is the outfit. Let me know what you guys think. Okay, so I'm back. Let's go over the prices. I have my price sheet right here. So the first item we have is this sweater. I'm on the fence about this one. I'm not sure what it will look like. So this is by Cotton Emporium and this is $44. So this one is $44. Next we have is the Daniel Rain white top. I do really like this, but this was super expensive. This was $68. I'm not sure. Sorry, the shirt fell. Next we have is this burgundy top, which looked really nice on, and this was $34. The jeans were the STS blue and they are $55, and I looked and they are out of stock on the size that I need. So I'm not sure about these. I'm not sure. Last but not least is this cardigan. It's something different. It's $48. I'm not sure what I'm gonna keep. I'm definitely gonna keep something. So let me know in the comments down below what you guys think I should keep or what I should send back. But this was overall good fix. I'm not like upset about it. I thought it was very good. But let me know in the comments what you guys think. It was kind of a plain fix, but I'm okay with that. So thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.